welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a very summer-appropriate recipe for coconut cream pie. Let's get started. We start out with our ingredients. We need 1 large or 2 small pie forms lined with blind baked pie crust, 4 egg yolks, a 1/4 cup or 30 grams of cornstarch, 1 14-ounce or about 400 grams can of coconut milk, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of milk, 2/3 cup or 130 grams of sugar, a dash of salt, 1 cup or 40 grams of shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 1½ cups or 400 grams of cream, 3 tablespoons powdered sugar. In a small bowl, whisk together egg yolks and cornstarch. In a small pot, combine milk, sugar, salt, and coconut milk. Add vanilla sugar here as well if using that. Heat over medium-high heat, stirring frequently with a whisk. When milk mixture just begins to steam and bubble, add a few tablespoons of the hot milk into the egg mixture and whisk. Then add the egg mixture to the pot. Whisk until pudding bubbles thickly. Then remove from heat and stir in butter, vanilla extract if using that, and shredded coconut. Pour into blind baked pie crusts. Lay plastic wrap over the pudding until it touches the surface. Chill in the fridge at least 3 hours. Then pour the cream into a large bowl and add powdered sugar. Beat to stiff peaks. Pour onto pies. Chill in the fridge for at least another hour. The cream will be stiffer the longer it chills. Mine was still a bit soft. This pie is lovely and smooth. It tastes strongly of coconut and is smooth and creamy with a crispy crust. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website on americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.